Gentlemen, we are in the middle of a quarantine that has left us without the service of a barber. Some of you are like me and decided to shave your head. Why not? I thought it looked pretty good. Now it's been a couple weeks since I shaved the old dome, and it's time to trim up a little bit on the sides. What I'm going to do today is a fade, which some of you have requested in the comments. I thank you for that. And also, since the quarantine, I've noticed an increase of views on my videos, probably because no one has a barber. So for that, I thank you. So like I was saying, today we're going to do a buzz fade from the skin all the way up. I'm going to be using a hat. I've used a sweatband in previous videos. I'm going to use a hat in this video, and it's going to go up pretty high. And I'm going to do sides and back, and obviously it's going to be very short on top still, and we'll see how it goes. So I have a beanie right here that I'm going to sacrifice for the cause. Don't worry, all the hair will come out with the wash. And I'm going to do this style to get me a straight line from the sides all the way around the back. Okay, just fold it up like that. As you can see, I'm going pretty high. I could go a little bit lower if I wanted to, but I don't, so that's what I'm going to do. I have my trusty clippers right here, and I'm just going to go. I'm actually going to use the mirror behind. And I'm going no guard here. That makes it, yeah, there we go. And I'm just going to do that all the way around. So I'll put that in fast speed for you. You know, I could have even gone a little bit higher, but I guess we'll just stick with that for the video. I wasn't too concerned about everything down here because I'm going to shave that with a straight blade anyway later. Dollar Shave Club. I'm more just concerned about this line. Okay, now I have a 1/2. That's the shortest one that I have. I'm going to blend it. Just in that line. Okay, the next part is kind of up to you, as if you want to keep this and just, you know, play with that piece to make it, you know, longer and shorter, or you can keep it on the short setting, and I'm going to go just to a number 1 to finish this fade into the top part. Okay, it's up to you where you want your different lines to be, and I know it's subtle, but you can certainly feel the difference. This is a lot softer. This is kind of, you know, really spiky, like really short. So play with it like that, and if, you know, low stakes when your hair is this short, because you can, you know, it's easy to fix mistakes. Always remember the rule that the difference between a good haircut and a bad haircut,
1 week.
The difference between a good haircut and a really bad haircut,
2 weeks.
So, without further ado, use the blade to finish the fade down lower. I'm not going to go too high on it, probably just, you know, around here, we'll see. Okay, you should definitely be able to feel the difference. between the different levels. This is more smooth when you go this way, spiky, and then soft. So kind of do it however you want it done, and that's the video. Hey, everyone, stay safe with the quarantine, and let me know what you think in the comments and if you have any suggestions. And also let me know how your own haircuts have been going. Thanks.